Christmas shines brighter than ever. This is Light of Hope of the 3D Mapping Christmas Show here in Pasculandia. Before the show begins, we kindly remind everyone to turn off the lights of your phones and other devices. Flash photography is not allowed, so we can all enjoy the full brilliance of this visual experience. In just a few minutes, our show will begin, so find your best spot to watch. Now, open your hearts, feel the magic surrounding you, and get ready for a Christmas spectacle like no other. Welcome to Pasculandia.
Twinkle, twinkle, lights begin to glow. Dreams awaken, hearts all in a row. Colors dance and laughter fill the air. The magic's here, it's everywhere. To the rhythm, the stars align. Every wish is shining, it's your time. Hear the music, feel the cheer. The night of dreams is finally here. Every light, every smile, every song we sing turns the ordinary into everything. Light up the magic, let your heart take flight. Dreams come alive in the glow of the night. Shimmer and sparkle, let colors collide. Paint the night with joy inside. Light up the magic tonight. Wishes spinning, shining through the crowd. Voices rising, laughter strong and loud. From every corner, near and far, the light within's who we truly are. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go,